All right, here we come to the elevator at Lindy's Furniture in Hickory, North Carolina. This is not any Westbrook elevator. This is a manually controlled Westbrook elevator. Yep, there's your Westbrook sign right there. And this thing was installed in 1950. All right, I'm gonna move this out of the way a little bit. All right, let's go down. Here we go. Trying to put in 4K mode. There we go. All right. All right, going up. Here we go. This is top-driven traction. Stops with a bump. This is definitely single speed traction. All right, let's get a cab first before we take it on another spin. Look at this thing. This thing is absolutely beautiful, despite all these storage units in here. These are your fixtures. They're C.J. Anderson fixtures. You can tell how well these buttons hold up very well. It's pretty hard to, it's almost like literally hard to hold it in. All right, we'll take it for one more ride round trip and we're gonna get off at 1. Here we go. And Faithfully from Journey is playing. Okay, now we're gonna go back down and we'll get off at 1.